The Tunde Cole Building, which is about to be commissioned, is the brainchild of Dr. Tunde Cole, a Sierra philanthropic and a proud alumnus of Furnished College.
I decided to go the extra mile to furnish the entire building that takes up to exactly 722 students with suitable classroom, tables, and folding chairs that you are now enjoying. It has 2 auditoria. Each takes up to 170 students. Each has an overhead projector and smartboard. There is also another one exactly like this on the other side. It also has 6 other lecture rooms, all of them provided with smartboard, of which 2 accommodate 40 students each, 2 accommodate 44 and 78 students respectively, and the other 2 90 students each. The entire building and its surrounding has Wi-Fi facility so that students can utilize the garden, which is provided with sitting areas to aid their learning process.
Why cynics sit on the margin, spreading disinformation and hoping for things to go wrong? Good citizens like Tunde and others ask, what else can I contribute to training more doctors, engineers, lawyers, chemists, policymakers, and more who will transform the future of this nation? These facilities have indeed prepared this college into the global learning ecosystem. This is unprecedented. It therefore gives me the greatest pleasure at this time to formally pronounce the commission of the Tunde Cole Building. You can have the Alaji, the Baba Tunde, the Mohammed here at Tunde College.